What's up, guys? Decided to do a little fun fishing and a little early practice fishing today for a tournament I've got coming up in January. I decided to let it warm up. It was 25 degrees this morning when I woke up, so I let it warm up for a couple hours, and now we're gonna see what happens. I don't have high hopes, but see if we can't figure something out. Good fish, guys. Pretty good fish. On a jerkbait. Shot, dude. Healthy fish. So that's 16, 17 incher. Got another fish on, guys. It's a good one too. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Probably a 3-pounder. Look at the spots on that thing. Boy, he's pretty. He's got more on this side. Thank you, sir. Don't know if I can call another one off these rocks with a jerkbait or not, but Another one on jerkbait, guys. Probably another 15-incher. Give me a decent 3-fish limit. Sweet, got on a jerkbait bite. Fire haul. It's been a few days since my last little fishing trip where I caught the decent 3-fish limit. I didn't have time to make a outro because I went to work, and this crazy cold weather, we've been so busy with fires and all kinds of calls, but it's a pretty good day. Wasn't a great bite, but when you're not expecting to catch anything and you catch 3 decent fish, it's all right. I'm afraid this cold front's gonna shut them down and change everything, but I'm gonna get back out there and do some more practicing as this upcoming tournament gets closer. It's the first tournament with Watts Bar kayak fishermen, and it's also honey hole for the Tin Cat tournament trail that I've been fishing, so I think I'm gonna try to find some fish on that lake and do a little double dip, and hopefully I can at least win some money in one of the tournaments, but we'll just have to see what happens, and hopefully I can get on some fish.